Although kahit sanay na sila nakakalaban, ano? Ito, gusto nito. Naku, adjust si Pons. Paborito niya yung kanto na yan. Ito tayo. Pablo's in the game. Nako, time out. Ang Hassel behind by 4 right now.
Open conference. It's also time for some R&R sa players.
Oo nga naman. Or all Filipino? All Filipino ba yung huli natin? Okay.
Tuwang-tuwa.
Ano ba yung last natin? All Filipino?
Yeah.
All Filipino.
All Filipino.
Oo. Tignan mo naman. Parang high school team, oh.
Ito ata yung reason ko bakit naghihiyawan yung fans kanina. Myla Pablo scoring a point.
Siyempre.
Love is in the air.
Love is in the air. Si Coach pwede maging bias today. Mika. Gandler receiving. Kayuna sets this up. Pablo shoots. And look at this team.
Parang inspired si Myla.
Oh.
Kanya lahat yon.
Love is in the air. He's on the floor for Team Hart. Down the middle we go. The toss, the return. Valdez, Kayuna. Oh!
Parang may something talaga. Iba yung galaw ni Myla Pablo.
Saka binibigyan ng bola.
Sadya,
Inspirado.
scripted. Sa'yo to
Parang nag-usap lahat outside of Myla. Si Myla, natin. Bigyan natin ng bigyan. Uy, lumanding. Short lang. Brooke Van Sickle has it. Pablo, inabot. Tuloy ang bakbakan. Brooke, dump. And Pablo scores again.
5 points now for Myla Pablo.
Wala namang comment yung coach, ano? Wala.
Mahusay.
Wala pa. Gandler, Kayuna to the rear. Pablo shoots away. Bea, thoughts. Reverse. Pablo battles. It is a check ball. Myla gets the point. And she has already chipped in 6. Belen, Kayuna, Pablo. Blocked. Alohi reached 4 by Belen, whirling around. Pablo!
Well played by Myla Pablo. She's actually loving the sets
Yeah.
of Jel Kayuna.
And Pablo has 8 points.
For Team Hustle, that's going to be a deadly duo in Alohi Robbins Hardy and Brooke Van Sickle.
Ooh, Roa keeping it very much alive. Pablo reaches for it, and she's surprised and looks at it. And Gia said, wag mong kukunin.
Gutom na siguro tong Team Heart.
Ito mo yung reaction. Ito ganda ng save na yan.
Great effort there from Eliza Eroa.
At saka itata, si Gia, tingnan mo rito. Wag. Pablo has pocketed 10 points, anchored on 9 kills and 1 block.
3 players are in double digits from Team Heart. For Team Hustle, it's Ea Laure with 10.
Oh, Pablo with 11. And it's time for a timeout from the Hustle side.